If you've ever been in a car accident or hurt on the job, you know how stressful it can be to deal with doctors, bills, and insurance companies. And joining us this morning is someone who understands both the medical and legal sides of injury cases, our friend Dr. Ted Grieve, founder of Ted A. Grieve and Associates. Welcome to the show.
Thank you,
So you're
Alicia.
a doctor and a lawyer. I've never met a doctor and a lawyer. That's
I am.
Pretty cool.
I'm both.
Okay, so talk to us about what Ted A. Grieve and Associates specializes in.
Well, we are a personal injury law firm. We've been in the Carolinas for 30 plus years. We represent people in automobile accidents, workers' comp claims, Social Security disability claims, premise liability claims. And really our mission and our goal is to make sure that people get the care and compensation they need and deserve. And we represent people in the Charlotte area, out to Shelby, Gastonia, up around the Lake Norman area, the whole region really pretty much we cover.
We love that. Okay, so before you started, you mentioned a big change is happening at your firm. What's happening?
Yes, we're excited to announce we're changing our name.
Okay. Drum roll.
We've been Ted A. Grieve and Associates for many years. And we've just decided, you know, Ted A. Grieve and Associates doesn't really tell people what we do or what we're about. So we're changing our name to Dr. Ted Injury Law. I'm a doctor and I'm a lawyer, and that's what we do, injury law. So, you know, it really is representative of what we do and, you know, the types of cases we can handle and help people with.
We're closing out the year, going into 2026. Why was this the perfect time to make that name change?
Well, as they say, no time like the present. So now's the time to do it. For 30 plus years, I've been putting my name out there. And again, it doesn't say a whole lot about what we do. So, you know, it makes a difference really when you're doing personal injury work and you're representing people for their injuries and you're trying to represent that case to an insurance company. It's like, I mean, you think about it. If you were to hire a lawyer and say, I want this lawyer to represent me for my injury case, but they don't know anything about the injuries, do you think they can do a good job for you? Yes, so right. I mean, so the answer really is you got to understand the injuries, you got to understand the law, and that's the best way you can really present the case on behalf of your client to the insurance company.
And you truly care about the people, because last time you were here, we brought in people from Gastonia, from the Speedway, from the FC that you're working with. So talk to me about the investment you're putting in the community.
Well, we're helping people in all the different communities. We sponsor football teams and awards for them. We do things with scholarships. You know, our emphasis has always been about local influence, and that's what we're going to be about, and that's what we're going to continue to do. And
talk to me about how people can reach you if they, you know, feel like they need help with the claim.
Well, they can reach us at 1-800-MY-DR-TED or 1-800-693-7833, or you can look us up online at drtedinjurylaw.com, which is our website. We're open 24/7. We're available for a free consultation. And just remember one thing, we do not get paid, excuse me, anything unless we recover for you.
I was going to ask if there's one message you want to leave with the viewers, but I think that might be it.
Yeah, well, the real message for the viewer is our goal, our mission is really to team up with people who are in need of legal help. And, you know, the insurance companies, people who are on the other side of this equation, they're not there to help people. They're there to try to minimize everything as far as care and recovery for injured and needy people. So we want to partner with them. We want to you know, make sure that we can really act as a buffer and properly and correctly present their case.
You're such an interesting man. I know you have 12 grandkids. I think you were a collegiate athlete, if I remember.
I was. I went to University of Georgia on a scholarship, athletic scholarship. So.
Man of many lives, man for people. Dr. Ted, thank you. And again, if you're injured or need help, you can call 1-800-MY-DR-TED or visit mydrtedinjurylaw.com.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.